Hello.
Hey, how are you today?
Yeah, good.
Okay, so can you tell me what time do you get up in the morning today?
I get up at 8:30.
Do you have your breakfast today?
Yes, I have.
And can you tell me what do you do in the morning today? Đóng sát cửa đi.
In the morning, I wake up at 8:30, and then I eat breakfast at 8:45, and I study math and make a YouTube video.
Make a YouTube video.
Yes.
What is it about?
It's about I draw a melon slice in a pixel.
Okay. In the last lesson,
Say again.
in the last lesson, we have learned some new words of reading. All right.
Yes.
Definitely open your chat and write out all the new words in the last lesson.
Okay.
Now, can you help me read it again?
A fire door, night dress, goose, double bed.
Fire door, what does this mean?
Nghe cái cửa thoát hiểm.
This one night dress.
Nghe váy ngủ, váy buổi đêm. Đi ngủ.
Váy ngủ, được chưa? Next one, goose.
Goose nghĩa là con ngỗng.
And the last one, double bed.
Double bed nghĩa là giường đôi.
Yeah, okay. This is some new words in the reading part. And so now let's come to speaking skill. Are you ready into the lesson today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes. Look at on your screen and I am going to share you your lesson today. Okay?
Okay.
Speaking test, Cat 2, test 1. It contains two parts. Part 1, you have to answer some question. In the lesson today, we will talk about music. Look at some question here. Do you like music? Do you like music?
My internet is really bad. I'm gonna change my internet.
Okay, now quickly.
Okay, it's better now.
Now, the first one, can you answer the question? Do you like music?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. No, not yes, I am. Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay. Mình có thể trả lời một cái câu nó dài hơn một chút được không? Can you say me
Yes,
along?
I do. I do like music.
You like music. And next one, what sort of music do you like?
I like the chill music.
Chill music. Look at here. I will show you some kind of music.
Oh.
This is some kind of music. Rock, classical, disco, heavy metal, rap, or punk, reggae, instrumental, jazz, electronic, countries, and blue. This is some kind of music. And tell me, what sort of music do you like?
I like the classical most.
You like classicals? Why do you like
Yes.
it?
It's really basic and it's very you can get rid of stress.
Okay. Is it catchy?
What?
Catchy. Is it catchy? You know this word? Catchy.
Catchy.
Mhm.
I don't know that.
It mean kiểu nó là một cái thể loại mà nhạc thu hút đó, được chưa? Hấp dẫn đó. Chúng ta sẽ sử dụng từ catchy để nói về âm nhạc cho cô. Hoặc là mình có thể nói là it's interesting. Hoặc là như mình vừa nói đó, it's gì đấy? Basic, right?
Yes, it's basic. Yeah.
Do you often listen to music in your free time?
Yes, I am. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Với câu này chúng ta sẽ sử dụng cấu trúc. Tôi ví dụ yes, tôi thường dành thời gian khoảng bao lâu để nghe nhạc, nói cho cái câu nó dài ra cho cô nào. Với sử dụng thời gian mình sẽ có I spend a lot of time gì đó. Nói cho cô nào.
I spend a lot of time to listen to music in my free time.
Listening to music.
Listening to music in the free time.
Là I spend most of my free time. Gì đây? I spend most of my free time
listening to music.
or listening to music. Where do you listen? Where do you often listen to music?
About every day in the week.
Where do you often listen to music?
I usually listen music when I'm study and in my free time.
You know where?
Chứ nghe ở đâu à?
Yes, where, not when.
I usually listening to music
in your bedroom, in your own room,
in my study room.
Study room. Why you choose study room to listen to music?
Because it's quiet and I really like my place to listening to music.
Because it's quiet, yeah. And you can relax. Because your study room is very quiet, right?
Yes.
And you can relax. What? Cái đoạn sau nói lại cho cô. Again, you can. Cô nghe thấy câu con nói là I can relax cái gì đó?
I can get rid of stress.
Reduce stress hả? Reduce stress?
Get rid.
Oh, get rid. Okay. Now next one. Do you often buy CDs? Do you often buy CD?
No, I'm not.
Why?
Because I usually listen to music on Spotify.
Okay. Now you. So have you ever bought any CDs?
No, I never bought before.
Okay. So talk about your favorite band or singer. What is your favorite singer? Or what is your favorite band?
I don't like sing a band, but I like my favorite singer is there's a lot of singers like Lil Nas X, Justin Bieber, and a lot of them too.
You can see example here. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Okay.
When you speak about the singer, you have to tell me who is he or who is she, okay? So what is his or her genre of music? Why do you like their music? Look at this. This is my favorite singer. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift, an American. She used to be famous for her country music, and now she changes to pop music. I love listening to her song because they are very arousing and catchy. So based on my example, you have to write a paragraph to talk about your favorite singer. Okay. 5 minutes for you. 5 minutes for you. To talk about your favorite singer. What is his or her sort of music, and why do you like them?
Okay.
Yes, let's write it in your chat, please. You can see my example here, okay?
Okay. Okay. I'm done.
Let's help me read again.
My favorite singer is Lil Nas X. He's an American singer. His genre of music or pop music. I like to listen to his music because it's really nice and makes me relax.
Because thiếu chủ ngữ.
Okay.
Because it is really nice and makes me relax. Make chia động từ cho cô nào. Thêm gì đây?
It is
make như nào?
Make
Thêm. Đúng rồi, bởi vì is nó là chủ ngữ số is, động từ phải thêm s hoặc es vào cho cô nào. Okay, very good. This is your speaking. Talk about favorite singer. I think it's very good. Now, this one, let's come to part 2. Look at the card here. You have to see it and make the question to ask about some information here. First one. This is dentist. What does this mean? Dentist.
Là một cái nha khoa.
Nha sĩ nhá.
Nha sĩ.
Nha sĩ, yes. Name. Name now. Make the question to ask about name here. Mình hỏi như nào đây?
What is the dentist's name?
Is it right?
Wait.
What? Look at the question. Is it right?
What's the name of that dentist?
That nó không quan trọng gì cả, nó đều đúng. What is the dentist name? Như này đúng chưa?
Dentist. Dentist phải thêm phải S.
Yêu cách đúng không? Đúng rồi, ok. Telephone number.
What's the telephone number? Wait. What is the telephone the dentist telephone number?
Appointment evening nào.
Appointment evening. Appointment. Nghĩa là
appointment. You know? Appointment.
What's
Not what. Appointment, what does it mean?
Như là cái người làm kiểu như là làm việc rồi.
Không phải. Appointment nó là cuộc hẹn mà.
Okay. Yes, is this? No. Does the appointment
appointment nó danh từ không dùng does được nào. Có cuộc hẹn nào vào buổi tối hay không thì mình hỏi như nào?
Are there any appointment in the evening?
Is there an appointment
in the evening?
Address?
Where is the dentist?
And car park?
Are there any car park? Are there any car park?
Thế thì car park phải chuyển số nhiều cho cô nhé.
Okay.
What is the name of the dentist? What is the dentist name? Can you
It's Mary Brown's dentist.
Mary Brown. Okay, so what is the dentist telephone number? What is his telephone number?
It's 9804723.
Yes. Is there an appointment in the evening, or can I make an appointment in the evening?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes.
Is yes is.
Với câu hỏi mà number 3 ở bên của cô ấy thì mình sẽ trả lời như nào? Can I make an appointment?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can make the appointment in the evening.
Okay. Next one. What is the address? Or where is the dentist?
It's in 7 Mount Street.
17 Mile Street. And is there a car park? Or are there any car parks?
Yes. Yes, it.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Okay. Mình có thể nói đầy đủ cả câu là yes, there is gì đấy?
There is car park in Water Lane.
Yes, okay. Now next one, let's come to the card 2. You have to make some question about new shopping center. The first one, name. Name nào.
The name. What is the shopping center name?
Shopping
Yes.
center. Oh, where?
Where is the shopping center?
Many shops.
How many shops are there?
How many shops are there?
Yeah, how many shops are there?
Hay là mình hỏi với câu hỏi yes no đi. Có rất nhiều cửa hàng ở đây đúng không?
There's a lot of shop in here, right? In the new shop, in the shopping center, right?
Are there? Mình có thể sử dụng với câu hỏi are there đó. Are there gì đây? Many?
Are there many shops in the shopping center?
In the shopping center, okay. Car park. Car park nào.
Car park. Car park. Are there any car parks?
Are there any car park? Hoặc là hỏi cho cô nào có một cái kiểu có hỏi số ít đi, không hỏi số nhiều nữa. Thì mình chuyển to be to are chuyển thành gì?
Is there any car park?
Any phải đi về số nhiều, bây giờ mình chuyển thành một thôi, một.
Is there a car park?
A car park. Gì đây? Is there a car park gì nữa?
Is there a car park next to the shopping center?
The shopping center. Open today. Open today.
Do the no.
Nó có mở cửa vào ngày hôm nay hay không?
Is the shopping center open today?
Open ở đây người ta cho động từ thì mình sẽ sử dụng trợ động từ cho cô nào, đẩy trợ động từ đến đầu cho cô nào.
Is there? I don't know. No. Is
Trợ động từ là gì? Does
the shopping center open today?
Now can you find out the information and answer the question. What is the shopping center's name? What is the shopping center name?
It's Westwood Shopping Center.
Westwood Shopping Center. So where is it? Where is the shopping center? Where is the shopping center?
Is it in Is in is from 10 kilometers from city center.
Next one. How many shops are there in the shopping center?
There are more than 100 shops, 2 restaurants, 1 cafe, and a cinema. 4 cafe and a cinema.
Okay, next one. Is there a car park at the shopping center?
Is there a car park? Yes, there is.
And does it open today?
No, it doesn't. It open next month.
Next one, okay. So this is your speaking to talk about to ask about shopping center and dentist. I will finish speaking here and let's come to the next task. You have to do some exercise listening in the next unit. Okay. You can look at test 2 of cat 4. Test 2 cat 2. Read part 1 and tell me what should we do. Look at part 1. Now pay attention and read part 1 for me, please.
Okay. You will hear 5 short conversations. You will hear each conversation twice. There is one question for each conversation. Question 1 to 5. Put the tick on the right answer.
Look at the number 1. How will Mary travel to Scotland?
Nghĩa là Mary sẽ đến Scotland đến bằng cách nào?
Where are the shoes?
Nghĩa là cái giường nó ở đâu?
Shoes.
Nghĩa là cái dép nó ở đâu ạ?
When will the football match start next week?
Nghĩa là cái trận bóng sẽ bắt đầu khi nào mà cái trận bóng đá sẽ bắt đầu vào vào tuần sau.
Yes. Which box of chocolate do they buy?
When will the football match start? Which
box of chocolate
I know.
do they buy?
Nghĩa là cái hộp sô cô la nào mà họ sẽ mua.
Yes, okay. When's Wendy's birthday?
Khi nào khi nào là sinh nhật của Wendy?
Yes, ready for listening? Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, okay. Let's listen and take the correct box.
Now we're ready to start. Look at question 1. How will Mary travel to Scotland?
Are you taking the train to Scotland tomorrow, Mary?
No, I'm driving there. It's cheaper.
Why don't you go by coach?
Oh, no. It takes 7 hours.
Now listen again.
Are you taking the train to Scotland tomorrow, Mary?
No, I'm driving there. It's cheaper.
Why don't you go by coach?
Oh, no. It takes 7 hours.
Two. Where are the shoes?
Mum, have you seen my brown shoes?
Yes, they're under the table.
No, they're not. I left them on the chair this morning, but they're not there now.
There they are, under the window.
Now listen again.
Mum, have you seen my brown shoes?
Yes, they're under the table.
No, they're not. I left them on the chair this morning, but they're not there now.
There they are, under the window.
Three. When will the football match start next week?
Does the football match start at 12:15 every week?
No, it was early this week. It usually begins at 2 o'clock.
So it'll be the usual time next week?
Yes.
Now listen again.
Does the football match start at 12:15 every week?
No, it was early this week. It usually begins at 2 o'clock.
So it'll be the usual time next week?
Yes.
Four. Which box of chocolates do they buy?
Which box of chocolate shall we get Mum for her birthday?
Those round boxes with the flowers on are nice.
Yes, but that square box is cheaper.
But it's Mum's birthday. Let's get the big round one. We've got enough money.
OK.
Now listen again.
Which box of chocolate shall we get Mum for her birthday?
Those round boxes with the flowers on are nice.
Yes, but that square box is cheaper.
But it's Mum's birthday. Let's get the big round one. We've got enough money.
OK.
Five. When's Wendy's birthday?
Wendy, you're 21 on Saturday, aren't you?
No, my birthday's on May the 18th.
Well, Saturday is the 18th.
No, it's not. It's the 16th. Now listen again.
Wendy, you're 21 on Saturday, aren't you?
No, my birthday's on May the 18th.
Well, Saturday is the 18th.
No, it's not. It's the 16th.
Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, how will Mary travel to Scotland by
train, by driving,
by
car.
by car? Why? Tại sao lại không đi?
Because
Tại sao lại không đi xe buýt nhỉ?
because the coach took 7 hours.
Còn train? Train thì sao?
Train thì người ta có nhớ, người ta không nói đến không, đấy là cái người đàn ông người ta hỏi Mary.
Okay, that's right. Car is correct answer. Where are the shoes? You choose letter A. Where is this? Where is it?
It's under the window.
Yes, okay. So when will the football match start next week? When will the football match start next week?
I don't để là mạng con nó hơi trở nghe khá là khó.
But shall we get Mum for her birthday?
Those round boxes with the flowers on are nice.
2 o'clock. So it usually begins at 2 o'clock. So
Anh nhìn xuống mọi người.
Ơi. Đây, Nhi con dạy học đã xong rồi.
3. When will the football match start next week?
Does the football match start at 12:15 every week?
no, it was early this week. It usually begins at 2 o'clock.
So it'll be the usual time next week?
Yes.
Nghe được chưa?
Yes.
2 p.m. 2 o'clock. Yes, okay, that's right. Đúng rồi đó. So which box of chocolate do they buy? You choose letter B. Okay. The round big one, đúng không? Next one. When Windy birthday? Okay, 18 May. Thế con có nghe thấy 16 cơ mà.
Nó là từ hôm trước rồi, từ chủ nhật rồi.
Rồi, okay. So this is your answer, part 1. Let's come to part 2. Part 2, you have a 2. Today, you have 2.
I have to listen to Pete talking to a friend about his holiday.
Peter, bị thiếu.
Peter.
Yes.
Talking to a friend about his holiday. What's the weather today?
What was the weather like each day? Chứ không phải là today.
I like each day. For question 6 to 10, qua letter 8 to 8, each next to each person. You hear the conversation twice.
So what was the weather like each day? What does this mean? What was the weather like each day?
It's a cloud, cold, fog, rain, snow, sun, warm and white. Wind.
What was the weather like each day? What does this mean in Vietnamese?
Nghĩa là cái thời tiết của mỗi ngày nó như thế nào.
Okay, look at some kind of weather. Cloud, what does this mean?
Mây, có mây.
Cold.
Là lạnh ạ.
Fog.
Fog. Nghĩa là nó có sương mù.
Rain.
Rain. Nghĩa là nó có mưa.
Or snow.
Snow, nghĩa là nó có tuyết.
Sun.
Sun. Ok. Sun nghĩa là nó có nắng ạ.
Warm.
Như là nó ấm.
Và wind.
Như là nó có gió.
Yes, okay, listen and write the correct letter in the box. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, listen and write.
Now look at part 2. Listen to Pete talking to a friend about his holiday. What was the weather like each day? For questions 6 to 10, write a letter, A to H, next to each day. You will hear the conversation twice.
Hi, Pete. You're looking well.
Yes, I've just been on holiday in the mountains for a week.
You must have had good weather.
Well, not really. When I arrived on the Monday, it was very cold.
It can be cold in the mountains at this time of the year.
Yes, it wasn't very nice, really.
Vâng.
Then, on Tuesday, it was so windy. I just stayed in the hotel all day.
Did the weather get better?
Well, Wednesday was a bit better. There wasn't any wind, and it was sunny most of the day.
So, did you do a lot of walking?
No. By Thursday, it was very cloudy, and it looked as if it was going to snow.
And did it?
No, but on Friday, it rained a lot.
And what about your last day?
Well, the weather was getting better, and it was quite warm then, but it was a bit too late.
Listen again. Okay.
Now listen again.
Hi, Pete. You're looking well.
Yes, I've just been on holiday in the mountains for a week.
You must have had good weather.
Well, not really. When I arrived on the Monday, it was very cold.
It can be cold in the mountains at this time of the year.
Yes, it wasn't very nice, really. Then, on Tuesday, it was so windy. I just stayed in the hotel all day.
Did the weather get better?
Well, Wednesday was a bit better. There wasn't any wind, and it was sunny most of the day.
So, did you do a lot of walking?
No. By Thursday, it was very cloudy, and it looked as if it was going to snow.
And did it?
No, but on Friday, it rained a lot.
And what about your last day?
Well, the weather was getting better, and it was quite warm then, but it was a bit too late.
Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, Tuesday. What was the weather like on Tuesday?
It was windy.
Okay, that's right. Wednesday, you choose letter F. Sun is sunny. Okay. Thursday, letter A is cloudy. Friday, letter D is rainy. And the last one, Saturday, letter G, warm. Okay, these are 5 correct answers. At home, you have to từ mới không có đúng không? I will send you some exercise and you have to open and do it. I will check it in the next week. Okay, next week.
Okay.
So now time's up. I will finish the lesson today. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.